Welcome to your guide to conquering your Wi-Fi connection. We'll show you how to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones, boost your signal, and unlock the full potential of your home network. Dead zones occur due to several factors. These include physical obstructions like brick walls and metal, signal interference from other devices, poor distance and placement of your router, and outdated equipment. The first fix is location. Place your router centrally and high up for better coverage. Clear the way by avoiding cabinets and large objects, and keep it away from devices that cause interference, like microwaves. Keep your router's brain sharp by updating its firmware. Fresh firmware improves performance and security. You can usually update by logging into your router's admin page using its IP address. Choose the right frequency band. The 2.4 GHz band offers longer range but slower speeds. The 5 GHz band provides faster speeds but has a shorter range. Connect distant devices to 2.4 GHz and high-demand devices to 5 GHz. For specific dead zones, consider a signal relay or range extender. This device captures and rebroadcasts your Wi-Fi signal. Position it roughly halfway between your main router and the dead zone. For whole home coverage in large or multi-story homes, a mesh Wi-Fi system is ideal. Multiple nodes communicate to create a single, unified network, ensuring strong coverage as you move around. If your router is over 3 years old, replace it with newer, more efficient hardware that supports the internet speeds you pay for. You can also upgrade to a high-gain antenna to focus the signal. For tough spots, try pro-level tweaks. Change your Wi-Fi channel to avoid network traffic jams. Channels 1, 6, or 11 are best for 2.4 GHz. Powerline adapters use your home's electrical wiring to bypass thick walls. Your action plan is to start free. Optimize position, update firmware, and experiment with frequency bands and channels. If needed, invest in hardware like extenders, mesh, or a full router upgrade. Always use WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this from Router Expert.